What's up, everybody? My name is Darren Wong, and I represent the Kinjas. And welcome to my beginner hip hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and steps you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. All right, so today's video I'm going to focus on is a step back with a heel twist. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now and apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so the core of this move is really just coming from our basic two-step with a step back. So for that move, all I'm doing is I'm stepping to the side, and I'm going to step behind my foot. I'm going to reset back to the side, step behind my foot. So again, just think your basic two-step step together, but instead of stepping together, we're stepping behind. So just to make this a little bit fancier, the only tweak we're going to do for today is we're just going to twist out to the side. Now, if you haven't seen my heel toe tutorial, make sure to check that out so you understand how to put your weight and also twist your toe or your heel. But today we're just going to focus on our heel using the weight and our toe turning out. So from here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to step behind with my left. At the same time I do that, my right heel is going to push my toe to the side. So think in your head, I'm just putting all my weight in my right heel and I'm pushing my toe this way. Okay, so as that's happening, that's when I'm lifting up my foot to step back. So for this one, it's kind of up to you where you want to put your weight. For me, I can try to keep it on that leg that's twisting, just so I feel a little bit balanced and also a little bit faster. So from here, all I'm doing is I'm twisting with my right heel, step back, and then as I come back to here, I'm gonna reset my heel to the front. So all you're doing in your head is you're just putting your weight on this heel for now, going to the right and coming back to center. So this is what your right foot's doing. At the same time, I'm stepping back, forward and back, forward and back, forward. So let's try that on the other foot. So same thing applies. As I'm twisting this way, so now I'm on my left heel, my toe's going to the left. As I'm doing that, all I'm doing is a basic step back, right? So I'm crossing over in the back, I step, twist, and then as I come back to the center one, I want my toe to go back to the front. So again, think all your weight's on your heel and it's just kind of hinging from your heel. So let's try a step back. So this goes to the left, pointing back forward, forward, back to the left, left, back to the front, forward, left, forward. So now let's try to do the tricky part where we put them both together from side to side. So you want to think of your head, right heel, left heel, left heel. So as long as you kind of break it down into two moves and you really know where your energy is, it makes it a little bit easier. So think your right heel first. So 5, 6, 7, right heel twice. This goes right heel, other side, left heel, left heel. Let's try it again. Right heel, right heel, right heel. Try it again. Left heel. Let's go one more time. And right, and left, left. All right, so once you have that down, let's put it together with a simple method I call the Ssd method, which is really just a simple pattern of going single on one side, and then doing twice on another side. Single, single, double, okay? So starting on the right, I'm gonna do one on this side. So 1, come back to normal, 1 on this side, 1, come back to normal. Then we're gonna do 2, so that's your double on my right. So right, come back, right, come back. And then switch to the other side. So single on my left, come back, right, single, twice on my left, double, and double, back. So if we put it together with counts, we'll do whole counts first, just to slow it down, and then we'll speed it up with and counts. So for whole counts, I wanna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, other way, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'm gonna face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, take it slow. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, double, 5, 6, 7, other way, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so once you have that down, we can speed it up and use and counts. Now, for this one, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the cross backs to be my whole counts, but there's nothing wrong with using that as my and counts. But just to keep it simple for now, I'm doing whole counts on the cross backs. My reset will be my and counts, and still applying this Ssd method. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Other side, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Other way, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, so let's try that again. I'm gonna turn them back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, speed it up. Go 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 again, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and alright, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, go ahead and hit that subscription button right now, and also hit the notification bell so you're always notified when I drop tutorials just like this. Alright, so key takeaways for this one is we're really trying to put our energy into our heels. That way our toes are free to move from side to side. And the second one, we're just using our Ssd method for now just to drill a simple pattern of going single, single, and then double on one side, and then repeating it on the other side. Alright, so let me know down in the comments below what you liked about, what you learned from it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!